Hello! Mag-hairstyle tayo kay Tyler. Nilagyan ko siya ng styling cream. What is the purpose of styling cream, son? To do the hair what? To give the hair moisture. Oh, you're not interested for today. If your turn, I will not cooperate too. It's just even. Just even. Sige na. Stand up, baby. Let me see. Give me a right, nice.
When will this end?
Because we're getting ready for August. When is the first day, though?
11.
A little bit like this, oh. Oh, it's not even. This one is thick, getting thick. Side. Agoy, ano na unsa naman ni mura naman kadiyot lang. Hold up. We're gonna make it like a little up, give a little up, a little up.
I look like a tangerine.
Tangerine?
I look like a tangerine.
Are you?
A black tangerine.
Si E. Agoy ang ipon lagi. You need to be nice so when it grow back, it will be healthy, okay?
Okay.
Naunsa ka man. O, tama na. May na imong hairstyle for today. Be. We don't need a gel because I think it will hold, or we need a hold styling gel. Kadiyot lang. Kadiyot lang, bebe. Ano? Side. Okay na. I-open ang video.
Finally done.
Bye na guys. So may akong i-stylean mo ra nag-oil-oil lang lagi. Oy.